Hello students, so we have completed our chapter 16 which was probability. Now our next chapter is chapter number 15, data handling. In this chapter we are having three exercises. In 15a we will discuss about the mean, in 15b we will discuss about the median, and 15c we will discuss about the mode. Means mean, median, mode. We have to study mean, median and mode. So let's start our first exercise in which we are going to talk about the mean. So first of all, what is the definition of mean? The mean of a set of data means the collection of numbers which in our question it will be given the set of the data means the set of the numbers is found out by dividing the sum of all the observation by the total number of observation in the data. Means first you have to calculate all the numbers and divide by the total number you are having, that will give you the mean value. Means mean is equals to sum of observation upon the total number of the observation. Suppose in a question if you are having 5 numbers, 5 natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first you have to add them all and you will get the sum of the observation, and upon the total number of the observation means how many total numbers you are having, means 5. So when you will calculate you will get the mean value. So now let's start our exercise. So let's start our exercise 15a, and our first question is Ria obtained the following scores out of 100 in a vocabulary test. 80, 85, 90, 71, 60 and 100 are the scores. So what is her mean score? Means you have to find out the mean. So first of all, these are the scores of Ria. And the formula for the mean is sum of observation upon the total number of the observation. Sum of the observation means the number you are getting, you have to sum them. Means 80 plus 85 plus 90 plus 71 plus 60 plus 100. Now total number of the observation means how many numbers you are having. So you are having 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 number you are having. So in the denominator you have to write 6. When you will add the numerator, you will get 486 upon 6. This will give you 81. Means 81 is the mean score or your mean value. So this is the solution for your first question. Now our question number 2 is Raman's last 6 batting scores were 138, 144, 155, 142, 167 and 172. So what was his mean score? Again you have to do the same thing, you have to find out the mean. So these all are the scores of Raman. Now for the mean score, sum of the all observation upon the total number of the observation. So first we have to add them all. 138 plus 144 plus 155 plus 142, 167, 172, and upon the total number of the observation means how many total numbers you are having. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 number you are having. So in the denominator upon 6. When you will add your numerator, you will get 918 upon 6. This will give you 153. So this is the answer. Now next our question number 3 is find the mean of each of the following set of number. A1 is first 5 natural number. For this question, first you have to understand that what are the natural numbers. Natural numbers are the counting number. Natural number are the counting number which we use when we are counting something. Like for counting we use the number like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these are the natural number. The natural number are the counting number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So it is asking you to find out the mean of the 5 natural number. So your 5 natural number will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you have to find out the mean, means sum of the observation upon the total number of the observation. Sum of the observation means first you have to add them and upon the total numbers you are having. So here you are having 5 numbers. So upon 5. When you will add them in the numerator you will get 15. And upon 5 which will give you 3, means 3 is the mean value for the first 5 natural number. In your next question it is asking you for the mean value of first 7 whole number. Now for this you have to understand that what is the whole number. Whole number is also like the natural number, but whole number contain a 0 also. Whole numbers start from the 0 and the natural number start from the 1. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So it is talking about the 7 whole number which will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how to find out the mean? The same procedure. Sum of the observation upon the total number of the observation. Observation means the numbers. How many numbers you are having? Here you are having total 7 numbers. So upon 7, in the numerator you will get 21 upon 7 which will give you 3. Means the mean for the 7 whole number will be 3. So this is the solution. Next, question C is first prime number. So for this you have to understand what is the prime number. Many of the students get confused that one is the prime number, but no, one is not the prime number. The prime number is the number which can be divisible by itself and 1 only. Okay, so the least prime number is 2. Okay, 1 is not a prime number. Prime number means the number which can be divisible by itself and 1 only. So the first prime number is 2. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. 4 prime numbers. Now you have to find out the mean. Mean means sum of the observation upon the total number of the observation. So 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 upon how many numbers you are having? So you are having 4 numbers upon 4. This will give you 17 upon 4 means 4.25. This is your mean. Now the very last question. Some rupees is given, rupees 7, rupees 19, 31, 43 and 70. So just you have to add them and upon the total number of the observation. So to find out its mean, first you have to add them and upon the total number you are having. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers you are having. So upon 5. In the numerator when you will add you will get 170 upon 5 which will give you rupees 34. Means rupees 34 is your mean value. So this is your solution. Now next question number 4. Megha worked 2 whole 1 by 2 hours on Monday, 3 whole 1 by 4 hours on Tuesday and 2 whole 3 by 4 hours on Wednesday. So what is the mean number of hours she worked on these 3 days? Your procedure will be same, but here only your question is given in the mixed fraction. So first you have to convert it into the simple fraction, that's it. The procedure will be same. On a Monday, she works for 2 whole 1 by 2 hours. It is in the mixed fraction. So first convert it into the simple fraction which will give you 5 by 2 hours. Now for the Tuesday, she works 3 whole 1 by 4 hours. It is in the mixed fraction, means 13 by 4 hours. How I am converting it? 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4. Wednesday, 2 whole 3 by 4 hours means 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4 hours. Now it is asking you to find out the mean. So just same procedure. Sum of the observation upon the total number of the observation. So mean will be sum of the observation upon the total number of the observation, means 3 days you are having. So upon 3. Here 13 by 4 and 11 by 4, the denominators are same. So we can directly add the numerator. 5 by 2 will be as it is. 13 and 11, when you will add them, you will get 24 upon 4 because the denominators are same. Now you can cancel it by 4 and this will give you 6. So 5 by 2 plus 6 upon 3. Now when you will take a LCM, you will get 17 by 2 upon 3. This 3 will turn and this 3 will become the denominator and 1 will become the numerator, which will give you 17 by 6 or 2 whole 5 by 6 hours. Next question number 5. Shikha sat for 6 tests and Bharti sat for 7 tests. Their percentage score were given in a table. Who has the higher mean score? Means the score of Shikha is given, the score of Bharti is given. You have to find out the individual means and you have to compare that who got the higher mean scores. But don't forget that Shikha has given only 6 tests and Bharti has given 7 tests. Okay, so let's find out their means. First of all, we have to find out the mean for Shikha. So the values for the Shikha is 68, 75, 70, 45, 57 and 77. Okay, so first we have to add them, means sum of the observation upon the total number of the observation, means how many total numbers we are having. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers we are having. So upon 6. This will give you 65.3. So this is the mean value for Shikha. Now we have to find out the mean for Bharti. So the scores of Bharti are given. First you have to add them and upon the total numbers, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 number you are having. So upon 7, this will give you 71. So the mean for Shikha is 65.3 and for Bharti it is 71. That means Bharti has higher mean score. So your answer will be that Bharti has the higher mean score. So this is your solution. Now our question 6 is find the mean for first 10 odd natural number. So for this you have to understand that what is the odd number. Odd number means the number which cannot be divisible by 2. Okay. Odd number means the number which cannot be divisible by 2 and the number which can divisible by 2 is known as your what? It is known as your even numbers. A number which cannot divisible by 2 is known as your odd number and the number which can be divisible by 2 is known as your even numbers. So you have to write down the first 10 odd natural number. You can say odd number or you can say the odd natural number, both are same. So the numbers will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. So first you have to add them all and upon the how many totals number you are having. So for the mean, first you have to add them all upon the total number and total number we are having is 10. So when you will add them, you will get 100 upon 10, which will give you 10. Means 10 will be the mean value for the 10 odd natural number. So this was the solution for question number 6. Further questions we will discuss in our next video. Till then, thank you so much.